Hello everyone. Welcome back to Pharma Zenith. So friends, in today's session we are going to discuss about HAP MCQs on nervous system. Myself Ambore Sandeep. So moving to the first question. The term central nervous system refers to the options are autonomic and peripheral nervous system, B, brain, spinal cord and cranial nerves, C, brain and cranial nerves, and D, brain and spinal cord. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is brain and spinal cord. CNS system refers to brain and spinal cord. Next, the peripheral nervous system consists of options are brain only, spinal and cranial nerves only, the brain and spinal cord. Any guesses? The correct answer is the spinal and cranial nerves. Peripheral nervous system is composed of spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Next, which of these cells are not a type of neuroglia found in the CNS? Options are astrocytes, microglia, Schwann cells, ependymal cells. And the correct answer is Schwann cells. Actually, there are 4 types of neuroglial cells. Out of that, 3 are present over here, that is astrocytes, microglia and ependymal cells. But these Schwann cells are covering for the axons, so it does not comes under neuroglial cells. Okay. See, the Schwann cells form a myelin sheath around. Options are cell body, nucleus, axon, nodes of ganglia. As we already discussed in last question, Schwann cells surrounds axon. So the correct answer is axon. Next question. The neuron processes that normally receives incoming stimuli are called. Options are dendrites, neurodelmas, Schwann cells, satellite cells. Can you guess the correct answer? So here is the correct answer, dendrites. Dendrites are the neuron processes that normally receive the incoming stimuli. Next, collections of nerve cell bodies inside the PNS are called. PNS, peripheral nervous system, are called. Options are ganglia, tracts, nerves, and nuclei. We have to find out collections of nerve cell bodies in case of peripheral nervous system. And these are called as ganglia. Ganglia is the correct answer. Next, which of the following best describes the waxy appearing material called myelin? Options are a lipid protein, that is lipoprotein, cell membrane on the outside of axon. B, a mass of white lipid material that surrounds the cell body of neuron. C, a mass of white lipid material that insulates the axon of neuron. And lastly, a mass of white lipid material that surrounds the dendrites of neuron. Can you guess the correct answer? And the correct answer is a mass of white lipid material that insulates the axon of neuron. C. Moving to the next question. A neuron with cell body located in CNS whose primary function is connecting other neurons is called. Options are afferent neuron, interneuron, glial cells, satellite cells. And the correct answer is interneuron. Interneuron connects to other neurons, so it is called like the interneuron. Next question. White matter refers to a myelinated fibers in the options are CNS, PNS, ANS, and SNS. CNS stands for central nervous system, TNS peripheral nervous system, ANS autonomous nervous system, and SNS that is somatic nervous system. And the correct answer is CNS, central nervous system. Next, impulse conduction is fastest in neurons that are myelinated, unmyelinated, sensory, motor. Any guesses? Impulse conduction is fastest in neurons that are myelinated. Myelinated neurons have fastest conduction of impulse. So remember that. Next, an action potential involves the influx of negative ions to depolarize the membrane. B, involves the outflux of negative ions to depolarize the membrane. Is essential for nerve impulse propagation. And lastly, involves the outflux of positive ions to depolarize the membrane. Let's find out what is action potential. And the correct answer is, it is essential for nerve impulse propagation. Action potential is responsible for nerve impulse propagation. Next, immediately after an action potential is propagated, which one of the following ions rapidly diffuses out of the cell into the tissue? Options are sodium, chloride, calcium, and potassium. Try to find out which of the ions rapidly diffuses after action potential is propagated. And the correct answer is potassium. Potassium diffuses out of the cell into the tissue. Next, the ability to respond a stimulus is termed as A, polarized, B, irritability, C, depolarized, and D, conductivity. Can you guess the ability? So, correct answer is irritability. Irritability, it is the ability to respond to stimulus. Moving to the next question. Which one of the following describes saltatory conduction? Options are occurs only if the nodes of Ranvier are lacking. B, occurs only in the absence of axon halides. C, is faster than conduction on unmyelinated fibers. And D, is slower than conduction on an unmyelinated fiber. You have to describe saltatory conduction. The correct answer is, it is faster than conduction on an unmyelinated fiber. Next question. The substance that is released at axonal endings to propagate a nervous impulse is called. Options are nerve glue, B, neurotransmitter, C, sodium potassium pump, and D, an action potential. Okay. And the correct answer is neurotransmitter. It is a substance that is released at axonal endings. Next, which of the following is the correct sequence in a typical reflex arc? We have to find out the typical sequence or correct sequence in a typical reflex arc. Options are receptor, afferent neuron, integration center, efferent neuron, and effector. B, effector, efferent neuron, integration center, afferent neuron, and receptor. C, receptor, efferent neuron, integration center, afferent neuron, and effector. And lastly, receptor, afferent neuron, efferent neuron, integration center, and effector. Can you guess the correct answer? We have to find out the typical reflex arc sequence. The correct answer is receptor, which ultimately leads to afferent neuron, ultimately causes integration center, which leads to efferent neuron, and ultimately it goes to the effector. Next, the elevated ridges of tissue on the surface of cerebral hemispheres are known as dash dash, while the shallow grooves are termed as dash dash. Options are sulci and gyri, gyri and sulci, ganglia and gyria, tracts and ganglia. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is gyri and sulci. See, this gyri, it acts as a elevated ridges, whereas sulci act as a shallow grooves in cerebral hemispheres. Next, the olfactory area is found within. Options are occipital lobe, B. temporal lobe, C. frontal lobe, and D. parietal lobe. We have to find out olfactory area, olfactory lobes are present in which kind of lobe. And the correct answer is temporal lobe. This olfactory area is related with smell. Next question. See, Sally has a brain injury. She knows what she wants to say but can't vocalize the words. The part of her brain that deals with the ability to speak is. Options are longitudinal fissure, B. gyrus, C. central sulcus, and D. Broca's area. We have to find out area which is able, which makes person able to speak, and that area is called as the Broca's area. Broca's area is responsible for speaking. Moving to the next question. The midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata are housed in. Options are hypothalamus, brainstem, pineal gland, cerebellum. And correct answer is brainstem. Actually, this brainstem is composed of this midbrain, pons ovale, and medulla oblongata. Ultimately, it's clear to the brainstem. Moving to the next question. Lobe that contains primary motor area that enables voluntary control of skeletal muscle movement. Options are parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, frontal lobe. The correct answer is frontal lobe. Frontal lobe enables voluntary control of skeletal muscle movements. Next, afferent nerves are called dash dash and motor nerves are called as dash dash. Options are peripheral nerves, cranial nerves, mixed nerves, motor nerves, sensory nerves, efferent nerves, and cranial nerves, peripheral nerves. You have to find out alternative names for this afferent and motor nerves. And the correct answer is sensory nerves and efferent nerves. That is C is the correct answer. Next, the area of the brain that plays a role in consciousness and the awake or sleep cycle is called thalamus, reticular activating system, that is RAS, pineal gland, limbic system. We have to find out the area of brain that is related with consciousness and awake or sleep cycle. The correct answer is pineal gland. Pineal gland is responsible for consciousness and awake or sleep cycle in human being. Next, control of temperature, endocrine activity, metabolism, and thirst are functions associated with. Options are cerebellum, hypothalamus, thalamus, cerebrum. Any guesses? The correct answer is hypothalamus. Hypothalamus controls temperature of body, endocrine activities, metabolism, along with that thirst. Next, the vital centers for the control of visceral activities such as heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, swallowing, and vomiting are located in. Options are medulla oblongata, midbrain, cerebrum, hypothalamus. You have to find out the center which is related with heart rate, breathing, blood pressure, swallowing, and vomiting. And the correct answer is medulla oblongata. Next, loss of muscle coordination results from damage to the. Options are hypothalamus, cerebellum, thalamus, midbrain. And the correct answer is cerebellum. Cerebellum is related with the muscle coordination, and if that cerebellum part is damaged, ultimately results to loss of muscle coordination. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is a traumatic brain injury? Option A, cerebrovascular accident, Alzheimer's disease, aphasia, cerebral edema. Correct answer is cerebral edema. It is traumatic brain injury. Next, which one of the following is correct sequence of nerves that exit the spinal cord going from superior to inferior? Options are cervical spinal nerves, lumbar spinal nerves, thoracic spinal nerves, sacral spinal nerves. B, thoracic spinal nerves, cervical spinal nerves, sacral, lumbar. C, cervical, thoracic, sacral, lumbar. D, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral spinal nerves. You have to find out the correct sequence. Correct answer is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, and sacral spinal. Moving to the next question. The nerve that contains sensory fibers that are involved in hearing. Options are cranial nerve third, cranial nerve fifth, cranial nerve eighth, cranial nerve ninth. You have to find out auditory cranial nerves, and that auditory cranial nerve have number 8. So correct option is cranial nerve 8. Next question. Preparing the body for fight and flight. Response during threatening situation is role of sympathetic nervous system, cerebrum, parasympathetic nervous system, somatic nervous system. You have to find out the system which is related with fight or flight system or response. And the correct answer is sympathetic nervous system. It deals with fight or flight response system. So friends, thank you very much. If you like this content, do not forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.